Hello everyone, welcome to day 19. What's that left? 12? Oh, it's too early in the morning to tell. I do know last time while I was editing, one of these was open and I saw what it is. So I do know one of these prompts, but I folded it up and I twiddled it around. So yeah, I know what one of them is, but we're going to ignore that. Okay, I haven't thought about it at all. I've certainly tried not to. But anyway, right, come on, let's get on with it. Probably going to get that one now. That might, no, I don't know if this is it. Right, okay, it's lined, which means, I believe, daughter. I told her nothing rude. Riker's thigh. Okay. They have colluded. They have. It's Riker's thigh, everyone. Yes, from Star Trek. That's one powerful thigh. Whenever he lifts his thigh up next to Data, the Enterprise goes quicker. So, right, I'm drawing Riker's thigh. So, you know how, like, in your household, you're watching a TV programme and somebody says something and other people laugh, and then the next time you say it again and they laugh, and then the next time they say it and you laugh, and it just becomes like a thing. And then when you say it out loud in front of other people, they look at you like you're kind of mad. Yeah, that would be this kind of situation. We just really enjoy the power that is Riker's thigh. He's all man. He's just all man. Picard is all gentleman. Riker is all man. And don't get me started on the wonder of O'Brien. That man is a god amongst us, and there are many different types. There's just this whole lore we have in our house surrounding Star Trek. Yeah, well, I'm a nerd, and you got an issue? Please don't hurt me. Anyway, so yes, Riker's thigh. Here it is in all its wonder. I considered just drawing a leg, but I thought that was a bit of a cop-out. Again, people aren't my thing. It's very comic book. It's very flat. Literally, I just coloured him in. I did try, you'll see in a bit, I tried to make him have a little glow. And I hope I have enough pips on his collar there. I think he has 3. Oh, I do hope he has 3 as a commander. These things matter, okay? They matter. But anyway, I decided to use just the pure black for his outfit, and then a red oohoo marker, because it's a large area, and I should have used the black oohoo. Why didn't I use that? That's silly, because these things are expensive and I got them off eBay and I don't know if I could ever afford to replace them. So one of them's already dried out and it's so sad. But yeah, anyway, I should have used the black oohoo, because those I could replace. I suppose it's better to get refills, isn't it? I suppose I should look into it, but those things are expensive as well. Can I justify it? I don't know. Should I stop talking about my finances now? Probably. But anyway, yes, so I did him very sort of, comic book-like flat. In other words, I did it flat. I didn't try and do shading or anything. I wanted him to be kind of, I don't know, what look am I going for? I'm definitely sexy. I mean, he's Riker. He's a sexy man. But I suppose I'm going, it's kind of like, hey, I guess story-wise, bing, they're still sleeping, and Rose, the really weird person, is coming close. But they sleep well because they somehow feel protected, because Riker's thigh is above them. He's looking down at them sleeping, and he's here protecting them as they sleep. You're okay if you've got Riker's thigh above you. I think that's words to live by. If you can sleep under the power of Riker's thigh, you're gonna have a good night's sleep. It is a whole thing. I do apologise. You also see a bit of sun. That's novel for October in England, but there's a little bit of sun that keeps coming through the blinds onto this. So there's that. But anyway, as for the background, I do a little bit of shading just a little bit. I'm still getting used to shading and where exactly it should go and how. I don't know. I think I should have done all his neck the darker colour, because that would have been... Anyway. So his insignia and his pips get coloured in. There we go. And the pips I do at the end. But yeah, just a basic idea of the logo. I think it's at a bit of a jaunty angle, but never mind. And then I wanted to do it like he was glowing. I was thinking about just doing the thigh glowing, like to do a glow coming off the magical Riker thigh. But I decided to make him more glowy because, you know, he's all Riker after all. And I go slightly over the moon and make the moon a bit smaller. So I don't have much luck doing these moons, do I? But what I try and do is, I don't know, this is how I figured out to do it. I don't know if this is right or not, but to do, this is the tonal grey, and just do, I think the line closest to him is T0, then T1, then my T2 is gone, so it went straight to T3 and T4. There you go. I think it looks like what I meant it to look like. I think it did. Possibly. Yeah. Well, there you go. That's the background anyway, and then I make the moon a bit smaller and go around the moon just to tidy that up a bit and try and make it look dark as it's still night. So try and make it a little bit darker as it goes out. What do you watch while? That's something I was wondering about. What you watch while you're doing this. I was watching Spaced. Have you seen Spaced? Go watch Spaced. It's awesome. But I've started watching Spaced again, which, yeah, that's a good half-hour programme to watch while you're doing this. But with the moon, I believe Spooky Rooster in my comments. Thank you for all the nice comments, by the way. It's really nice. I haven't had a nasty one yet, which is just so lovely. But they said about the problem I had with the last one. It's like, well, you get blood red moons, which is true. So it isn't quite blood red, but I did try and do it sort of more colourful, because it's kind of using the same colours in his insignia. So I don't know, trying to bring that colour out, you know, like artists do. But thank you very much for that comment. You're right. Of course, I could have had, you know, a copper coloured moon. It would have made sense, but I didn't want like grey again because it just seemed so much. So I just kind of swirled a few yellows and oranges around and hope for the best. I think it looks moony. But yeah, just filling in the rocks, and there is my Riker with his magical Riker thigh. Look at it. Look at the magnificence. Yeah. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. It really is making my day. And, well, we shall have to see what happens next. Will Riker leave in the morning, or will he stay with them? Who's to know? But thank you anyway. See you tomorrow. Bye.